Aloha folks, it's Brandon again from DripWorks. I'm here at Sherwood Valley Casino and we're going to do an installation and show you to set up a timer. Let's get to it.
We're going to install the filter first so that we can ensure that clean filtered water is running through the timer. Making sure that the arrow of the filter is facing out towards the garden. That's the correct flow. Next, we're going to install the pipe to hose thread adapter because our Bluetooth beehive timer is a hose thread.
There's the timer itself.
Yep, there's the timer. That's a 2-outlet beehive timer. Completely Wi-Fi capable, so you can actually program that from your smartphone or any smart device, or you can program it at the spigot. So once we have that installed, we're gonna add our PSI regulators. And the reason why we're doing them after the timer is because sometimes you lose pressure as water flows through the timer. So we want to ensure that the pressure going out towards the drip system that we're installing is adequate for it. Here we're doing a drip tape installation, which requires no more than 15 PSI. So we're adding 2 10 PSI pressure regulators. And then after the pressure regulator, you want to install the female hose adapters, which will attach the 1/2-inch mainline tubing for the main feeder line that will feed the drip tape. What we're using today is Toro from Aquatrax, which is the 8-inch high flow spacing. So it will be really good for this garden. What we're dealing with today is a pretty good piece of land with a whole bunch of row crops. So we're just gonna do a couple of drip lines down each of the row crops and we'll give it a good efficient watering. So this is what it will look like. And again, what we did here was the hose to pipe adapter because our filter is a pipe thread type. So we did an adapter. We did the Amiod high pressure filter, which can withstand constant pressure. Then we did another adapter from the filter to the hose timer, and then we attached our 10 PSI regulators. And from here, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna connect the 1/2-inch main line. And we'll see you in part 2.